Guys, so it's me again, yung ating Jaja, no edit, no filter, just me. So, ayan, for today's vlog, another vlog na naman about mga dreams, pursuing your dreams and goals. So, ayan, ayan, nakita nyo na may title. So, we are lost. I am lost. Sometimes, we feel lost. Yan, halimbawa, meron ka ng mga, nakuha mo na yung mga gusto mo, meron ka ng lahat, o hindi ka naman in conflict. Pero there's something missing. You feel so empty, right? And that's okay. You know, what you need is to pray. We need Him every time. Kailangan mo talaga magkaroon ng time sa Kanya. And that's a fact. You know, ano connection nito sa dreams? Kasi lahat tayo may dreams, di ba? So, yung mga dreams mo, kailangan mong gawin talaga yon. You still have time, and habang nabubuhay ka sa mundo na to, may chance ka pa. Okay? So you don't need to lose hope. If you are lost, then find it. Find yourself. You can find it to Him. Okay? And don't worry. You are okay, and you'll be okay. Alright? Alright. So, ayun na nga. Nagpony lang ako ng buhok kasi nga medyo nahihirapan ako. So, ayun na nga. Yan nga. Nararamdaman mo rin ba yun? You feel lost? Yeah, ako din ngayon nafe-feel ko yun. But hindi naman totally gano'n, pero parang naiisip ko, parang may kailangan pa akong gawin. Hindi pa ako dapat magpakampante or maging feeling comfortable. And that's okay. Pwede mo pa rin naman ituloy ang mga dreams mo in life. Okay? And you need to think more and mag-pray ka. Yun lang yung kailangan mo. Okay? If you are lost, God is with you. Lagi mo yan tandaan. Okay? What else to say? Lagi mo lang tandaan na nothing is impossible with God. God, okay. If you are lost now, then para sa'yo to. Lagi mo tandaan na if you are lost, you need to find Him and you will have peace. Okay? Matutupad din yung mga pangarap mo and maaabot mo yung pangarap mo. Sometimes humihinto tayo, nagpapahinga, feeling comfortable, pero may kailangan ka pa rin talagang gawin, and huwag mo muna unahin yung mga kasiyahan mo. So, gawin mo na yung mga dapat mong gawin. Okay? Huwag patumpik-tumpik. Okay? Kaya mo yan. Okay. So, kung napapanood mo to ngayon, it's a sign na gawin mo na yung mga dapat mong gawin. Okay? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye! And comment down below. Okay? If nakarelate ka dito. Bye!